Hello Telegram users, need to change your bot's username? I got you. In just a few steps, you'll update it like a pro. Let's go. First, open Telegram and search for BotFather. It's the official tool to manage bots. Now tap Start or Help if you haven't already. Next, type My Bots and tap on the bot you want to edit. Tap Edit Bot and then select Edit Username. Now, type your new username. Remember, it must end with bot. It should be unique. So if it's taken, try variations. Once confirmed, you are done. Your bot now has a new username. What's the coolest bot name you can think of? Drop it in the comments below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.